Charlie Boy. I'm back in another video. But today's video is gonna be a very special video. Today's video is gonna be my first time on an airplane. Like, I've never too much got on an airplane before, like, you know, too much go places like that. But it's gonna be my first time on an airplane. So I'm taking you guys along the way with me through the whole process, me checking in, me getting on the airplane, to me landing and everything. But make sure you stay tuned and watch the full video. And if you haven't, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So guys, I'm inside the airport right now. Couldn't go get my first plane. Well, I came a few hours early. Let me show you what it looks like. Got this dude carrying my luggage right there. Hopefully everything goes according to plan. Let me get settled real quick. Okay, so I just recently dropped out my luggage. Finished checking in and everything. Just got my plane ticket. It's pretty empty right now. I guess not many people flying around this time. He said gate 2, into a gate 2.
Who are those kids? Mine? Oh. The little one. Oh, nice. That's trouble. Yeah.
So I think it's only about time to like board the plane right now. Yeah, been like about 2 hours since I just been up and chilling. Okay. You know, we're not about to don't slide up too much. Yeah, you see the you know, Nike down. Nike. Some slight, not too much. But hey, stay tuned. Yes, sir. So I'm getting ready to board a plane. I'm getting ready to get on real quick. See how we got on the plane. Okay. Excuse me. Man, you know, not too much.
Good afternoon, welcome aboard American Airlines Flight 4236 with service to Dallas Fort Worth. Offers American Eagle. As you're getting settled, please place personal items in overhead compartment underneath the seat in front of you. Small lightweight items may be placed in the seat pocket or below the pass of the aisle.
So just now on the plane. I'm ready to put my stuff over real quick. I'm just kind of setting the phone up.
Once again, please make sure that your larger bags in the overhead compartment, the smaller ones will be underneath the seat in front of you.
In the event of an emergency, leave all belongings and proceed to the closest usable exit.
There's a don't remove your face mask
It's so crazy.
when you're
bro.
actively eating or drinking. In the event of the mask drop overhead compartment, please remove any face covering prior to placing the mask over your nose and mouth. Thank you and enjoy your flight.
Bro, he doing so fast. Man, it's so amazing right now, bro. It's so amazing. So right now we're finna land. Just had to put my phone in airplane mode. I ain't had no service no way, but you know, had to put it in airplane mode anyway. Again, for we need to finger land. Man, this view is amazing, for real. Alright, I'm gonna get back at you guys when we ready to land for real this time. So the plane just turned around so it could get ready to land. It seemed like the flight was faster than I thought it was. I thought it would be. But yeah, you know, sounds like first class status. Not too much. I'm low-key kind of hungry though, for real. But yeah, I'll be back. So we're just not getting ready to start and land. The plane started to descend. Start getting close to the ground. Man, it was so many bumps in the air. I don't know if people know it, but like it do be like bumps in there, like the plane kind of shake a little and everything. Getting closer and closer to the ground. Welcome to Texas. Now we're landing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
open the compartment, use caution that it may have moved in flight. In order to support social distancing, we'll open a few rows at a time, set up from the aircraft to the back. We ask everyone to remain seated until the row in front of you has cleared to prevent crowding in the aisles. To help keep our cabin clean, please take in your remaining waste item with you and place in the trash bin. Our arrival gate is Terminal E as in Echo. Our gate is E29B, that's like Echo 29 Bravo. If Dallas is your last destination, you can claim your bags at baggage claim. E as in Echo 37. Once again, baggage claim is E Echo 37. And for those of you making a connection, check the monitor symbol for gate information to the AA.com from your phone. Please make sure that you do check your gate because all gates are subject to change.
Well, time to go get my stuff.
If you have a connecting flight to another terminal.
Okay, so I just landed off the plane and everything right now. It's time to find my luggage, which is gonna be the hard part. Wow, it looks totally different here. For real, it look different. Man, this airport is so much bigger. This airport is huge, for real.
Thank you for visiting the Dallas Fort Worth International
All this just to find my bag. This is crazy. Really crazy. Got the little ground elevator. I should have got on it. Instead of walking, should have got on it. But it's cool, whatever. Oh man, not the fish tank. I might grow a door in there. It's a nice little fish. Oh man, this airport's so big. The other one just came from wasn't even half this size. Here go another restaurant, Panda Express. Panda Express right there. Yeah, it's crazy though. You got Wendy's? Nah, not the Wendy's. It got a whole candy store called Lit. Wow. Man, let me find my bag real quick. Bag, everything. Now it's time to head out. You know, I had to put the trash bag on my suitcase just in case. You know, just in case. It's only right. Now the hard part, let's see how I get out of here. Yeah, you know, just got off the plane, got my stuff. It looked like we got somebody waiting for me. Oh, let me see the sign again, let me see the sign. It's a cheap paper for me. Alright, y'all. See y'all later for now.
Test run.
Melatonin?
Okay, so how it's looking?
Melatonin?
I'm gonna took this shit for real for a second. Alright, so let me tell you how it's looking. What's up with it? It's your boy.
Start over. What's up, y'all? So today we're gonna be doing a little prank, yo. We're gonna do something a little different today. So.
What's up with it? It's your boy T. You were talking.
Damn.
Shut up.
What's up with it? It's your boy T. B. I. Charter Boy Inc. And I'm back at it with